Hey, friends. Ooh, that's kind of a nice car. A couple real nice cars. Must have had a car show let out. Huh. So I've been driving for a while. About 3.5 hours to go up to this campsite. I want it to be a surprise for you guys. So yeah, hopefully everything is going well. Hopefully you guys are doing good. I'm almost there. I've been there before. I've been on the road for about, I'd say about 2 hours now. I've been looking to go to this campsite for quite some time. It's actually a pull-off, not really a campsite, but I'll spend the night. I've hiked this place a few times in the past. So yeah, I get to get my new rig all set up. I've got my solar panels and stuff in the back. I'll show you guys. Or not, yeah, I've got my solar panels. You guys probably can't see them or anything like that, but you can probably see my solar generator back there. I got to do a little charging tonight. Don't know what I'm cooking or what I'm going to eat yet. We'll see. Maybe I'll eat out, something like that. Who knows? Now, if I remember correctly, it was up here on the left. And this has been a really weird year. It seems like all the trees are already starting to turn and it's mid-August. Like, that's nuts. Last year was like El Nino, so it was a very delayed winter. It didn't even feel like we had a winter at all last year, so winter's going to be kind of brutal this year. I have a feeling about it. Throw my shades up here. Yeah, you can see I'm getting pretty good gas mileage. About 25 is what I average. Up here on the left, if I'm not mistaken. I got a guy right behind me tailgating. Oh man, he's not happy. Let's see, this is where it is. Okay. McCarthy Hill State Forest. This place is awesome. I highly suggest if anybody wants to go on a nice little trek, or if they want to go camp overnight, this is a perfect place for it. Now, in the wintertime, it's not so nice because this hill is kind of nasty, but I come here every other year. Believe it or not, this hill is a lot steeper than it looks like on camera. But that's where the all-wheel drive comes in. Ooh, that's a serious hump there. See that in the road. Always hit it at an angle. Good thing I put a small lift kit on this, or I'd be easily bottoming out, because these vans don't sit very tall. And look, I got it all to myself. I'm going to turn around, I'm going to set up camp. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next video.